Good morning, you beautiful brave hearts, you beautiful soul sisters and brothers, coming to you from another magical morning. This morning is even more beautiful than the morning yesterday, and I don't know how that's even possible. Today is the second last day of the Wolf NonSurgical training here on the Coffs Coast, on the east coast of Australia, and it's bittersweet. It's been an incredible experience. We started off with a whole life coach on the 12th of August, and we are, as I said, on the second last day of the Wolf NonSurgical, and then from the 4th to the 6th of September we are doing incredible women immersion, the pain-free pelvis and disease prevention. Yesterday was amazing. It was magical, it was powerful, it was transformational. Yesterday in the Wolf NonSurgical, the part of the body that we learned about and worked on and dived in really deeply was the breast. So we did a breast restoration, incredible, like scaling all the cartilage and the calcification around the ribs and the wrist cage and everything that holds our beautiful sacred heart space together. And it's just amazing how, you know, I'm a fairly healthy woman. I've been on this journey for quite a while, but it's just amazing all the little crystals and the crunchy bits that accumulate. And so we did a beautiful breast restoration and a breast lift, incredible life-changing techniques. And this Wolf NonSurgical is the most powerful body work in the world. We use our elbow, and our elbow, I've been doing this work for 4 years, our elbow really becomes a pinpoint, and we really put our eyes into our elbow and really deeply feel into the different body parts and organs that we are working with. Yeah, so we did that, the breast treatment, and afterwards was just absolutely amazing. We did a heart release. And our heart is the recorder of all our love affair, of all our sorrow, of everything that has happened in our life. And the beautiful Andrea did an incredible heart release on me. As soon as she sort of touched that area over my left chest area, like emotions really started to flood, and it just opened the floodgates. And it was quite extraordinary, and it's keeping going now. So this happened yesterday afternoon, and it's really kept going overnight. But this beautiful gift, when we really connect with ourselves and learn to put ourselves first, learn to love ourselves first, then the universe is absolutely ours. And one question as a New World practitioner that I get a lot from my clients is, what test do I need to have to see my health, to see what level of dis-ease, to see where I'm at? And I've never experienced, I've been in this game for a very long time, for over 25 years, and I've never seen a test that actually activates any level of healing, a test that empowers, whether it's a blood test or a, organ function test or anything like that, or an x-ray, or it's like no test really connects us with our being and gives us, empowers us with where we actually need to be. So the test, my beautiful brave hearts, is in the present moment. How you feel in the present moment. The body talks to us. Health is a language, and in this present moment, it's really a status quo of exactly all the things that we have done in our life. It's a recording of all the relationships we've had, all the things that we've done to dishonor our body, all the things we've nourished our physical and emotional being with. But this present moment is also a magical moment, because in that moment nothing in the past matters. It doesn't matter. We learn to lovingly let ourselves off the hook and look from this moment forwards. And every morning is a rebirth. Every breath is a rebirth, a possibility for creating something new. And that is very empowering. That gives us back our power and the choice and really the direction in which to follow. And health is so simple. It's really about connecting with our breath, being present in the moment, and then stepping forwards, 1 foot in front of the other, 1% every day. And then from the minute you rise to when you gently close your eyes, your only job is to love, honor, and respect this physical being, this incredible temple that we have been gifted to experience life through. And as we move from dense, from pain, from restriction, from unlocking all the things that no longer serve us, you know, we move into lightness, we move into love. I talked about that, you know, the whole world becomes a love affair, everything that we do. And that gives us back a power, it gives us back our choice. And you do that for a day, 1% every day, just loving and honoring and nourishing your physical being. You do that for 100 days. And on a cellular level, the body changes. We know that every 7 years, every cell in our body absolutely regenerates itself. Yes, letting ourselves off the hook. That's exactly right, Maureen. And just being so gentle and loving. And, you know, when I first started working with my clients, they're always, you know, saying, wow, you know, we have so much work to do. But no, we have so much loving to do. We have done so much work to punish ourselves, to be hard on ourselves, to, you know, be disconnected and separated from the world. And when we come home to ourselves, when we respect ourselves, put ourselves first, it's like a light that shines within. And then it shines onto the rest of the world. And it's absolutely magic. So where to start is to start in this present moment, connecting with your breath, maybe going for a walk out in nature, and just really checking in, you know, how your physical body is feeling, how your emotional, just what's going on there. And then choosing to take loving, gentle steps in the direction that honors you. And that might mean, you know, on a nutritional level, what you choose to eat and to drink and to think today. It might be, you know, starting the day with some beautiful hot water, which really nourishes and hydrates the cells. And if you can structure your water, that's even better. To take, you know, to start the day with some beautiful fresh juice, some celery juice or some carrot juice, or what really lights you up, what your body really craves for. And then a beautiful rainbow salad, and just, you know, making it really beautiful and really gentle. So this, you know, this present moment is your checkup from the neck up, and it's this recording of all of our life, and it's so empowering. So if you would like a loving hand, then please book a Perfect Day Consultation. And what a Perfect Day Consultation is really working with you where you are right now and where you would like to be. And then we create the perfect day around your life, around your purpose and your passion, where you see yourself in the future. And then we gently map that out from the minute you rise to when you gently close your eyes. And you will reclaim your power. You will reclaim your vitality and energy. And to be, you know, old and sick is a choice. To be, you know, I'm reverse aging. The people around me are reverse aging. And it's just such a beautiful thing. So if you would love to book a Perfect Day Consultation, you can call me on 041 399 3493 and take massive personal action. And I will hold the line for you. I will be very, very gentle with you, but hold that space for you to step into the better version of yourself, that high, healthy, vital version of yourself. And if you are looking for some Wolf non-surgical bodywork, the most powerful bodywork in the world, then, you know, we can also do that. And with a Perfect Day lifestyle, then the body will heal and regenerate even quicker. And if you would like to really invest in the power pack of healing, you can book a Cell Sonic appointment. Also, the Cell Sonic is the most powerful energy medicine in the world. It's 25,000 volts of a love harmonic, breaking down calcification, scar tissue adhesions, and really unlocking the restrictions, unlocking where the body has, thank you so much, Maureen, you're gorgeous. Unlocking the calcification, and the body is a system of tubes, and it's the highway of life or the highway of death. So let's get our power back, let's get our vitality, let's choose to live in the present moment, to grow every day, take massive personal action. And the beautiful news is that we are doing this training again in Australia. So if you have missed out this time and if you weren't quite ready, then come and join us next year in July and August. go to BHN University to look at all the details there. We are offering all the 4 courses there. Come and join us. We are building the BraveHeart Nation in Australia. And look who's coming behind me. This is my incredible husband, Kevin, who's been out for a ride, moving his body, he had an incredible heart release yesterday as well. He's just to see this man growing and flourishing into his greatness and seeing his strength and it's just such an honor. So beautiful, brave hearts. Choose yourself this moment. Love, honor, and respect yourself, and come and join us on this incredible journey. Sending you so much love wherever you are in the world. I will talk to you really soon. Bye.